My inquiry looked at how to effectively and efficiently address specific knowledge gaps in algebraic operations. A holiday revision sheet, conversations, observations, and homework books provided evidence of specific needs. The class had moved on to the final topic in the algebra unit, so my intervention had to occur outside of class. My mentor suggested a voluntary lunchtime tutorial with the end of topic test providing post-intervention data. Pre-intervention data showed one student's learning gap arose from a single concept, while the rest had multiple gaps. I adopted a dual approach, targeted constructive and informative feedback for the one student and a voluntary tutorial for the remainder. 3 teaching strategies stood out: mental modelling, which enables students to see thinking; more worked examples and less problem solving during knowledge acquisition, which optimises space and working memory for learning; matching visual and verbal presentation, which increases capability for learning. All students showed distinct evidence of improvement. The tutorial students would benefit from further spaced encounters to fully cement their learning. For myself, I intend to incorporate these teaching strategies into my classroom practice.
Let's face it, students suck at math. Now that may sound harsh, but that's what the numbers show. Some teachers seem to be resigned to this, but I think students can do better. I figured with a little bit of coaching, they could increase their algebraic manipulation skills in science. I came up with a 5-step method using discussion techniques. Instead of me standing at the board telling them how algebra is done, I sat down with them and we discussed how to do problems and tried to figure out why things can and can't be done. The idea behind this was to give them an insight into why math works and to encourage their critical thinking and logical sequencing skills to help them with problem solving. Some students did a bit better in post-testing, but there was no significant increase. But that was kind of expected. It wasn't a rigorous test I gave them, and the coaching period was reasonably short. I expect if we coach them from the very first lesson and teach them the mathematics they need to know, we will be able to increase their math skills in science. Teaching as inquiry is something that every good teacher needs to do. Our students' academic ability is declining. I don't have the answer to solve this, but if we continually look to each other, help each other out, and keep on learning, we might be able to get our kids back on track.